Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 10th, 2024. We've got a lot to cover, from Elon Musk's political rhetoric affecting Tesla's brand to the launch of the all-electric Giga Train in Germany. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive in. Elon Musk's recent political rhetoric, particularly his endorsement of Donald Trump, has raised concerns about its impact on Tesla's brand and customer base. The German pharmacy chain Rossmann announced it would not expand its Tesla fleet due to Musk's political stance, highlighting a disconnect between Tesla's environmental mission and Trump's views on climate change. Musk's inflammatory posts, including comments about civil unrest and engagement with far-right figures, have led some Tesla owners to reconsider their loyalty to the brand. A senior television executive cancelled his Tesla order, expressing that Musk's rhetoric has made the brand toxic for some consumers. Despite this backlash, some right-leaning individuals have embraced Musk's alignment with Trump, indicating a potential shift in Tesla's target market. Analysts suggest that while Musk's comments attract attention, they may not significantly impact Tesla's sales, as the brand remains popular among consumers who prioritize vehicle performance and suitability over political affiliations. Data shows Tesla continues to lead the used electric car market in the UK, and many consumers remain indifferent to Musk's controversies. However, trust in Tesla among US consumers has declined since early 2022, potentially linked to Musk's polarizing public persona. The broader economic context, including rising interest rates and increased competition, may also affect Tesla's sales. Experts warn that Musk's political involvement could have negative repercussions for his other ventures, such as SpaceX, particularly given its government contracts. Overall, while some customers are distancing themselves from Tesla due to Musk's rhetoric, the long-term effects on sales and brand reputation remain uncertain. Tesla has launched its all-electric Giga Train in Germany, which made its inaugural trip this week. The train is designed to transport employees to the Gigafactory Berlin, addressing concerns about commuting options for the workforce. It is expected to carry up to 4,500 employees daily, providing a free service that connects the Tesla station, Tesla Süd, with Erkner station. The Giga Train is notable for being the first fully electric, battery-powered train in the Berlin and Brandenburg regions. Each train carriage accommodates 120 passengers, allowing for a total of 500 people per trip, and includes bicycle compartments and ground-level access. The project aligns with Tesla's mission to promote renewable energy, as highlighted by project manager Theresa Egler. The train's operation is managed by Niederbarnimer Eisenbahngesellschaft, NEB, which plans to transition to an electric fleet by the end of the year, replacing its diesel trains. Although the Giga Train was initially scheduled to launch in April, construction delays pushed the start date to this week. Currently, the service runs only between the Gigafactory and Erkner, with plans to extend to Berlin-Lichtenberg once construction is completed. Elon Musk has been utilizing U.S. federal judge Reed O'Connor in Texas for two significant lawsuits involving his social media company, X O'Connor, who has a financial interest in Tesla, holding between $15,100 and $50,000 in stock, has made pro-Musk rulings that have raised concerns about his impartiality. Critics argue that Musk's legal team may be engaging in forum shopping to secure a favorable judge, as neither X nor the defendants are based in Texas. O'Connor, a member of the Federalist Society and appointed by George W. Bush, has a history of ruling in favor of conservative interests, which adds to the scrutiny of his involvement in these cases. One lawsuit accuses a group of advertisers of conspiring against X, leading to immediate financial repercussions for the World Federation of Advertisers, which announced the dissolution of its brand safety initiative. The second lawsuit targets Media Matters, claiming it released a misleading report that harmed X's business. Media Matters has reported significant financial strain due to the extensive discovery process mandated by O'Connor, which they describe as intrusive. Concerns about O'Connor's potential bias are compounded by the fact that Texas federal courts lack protections against meritless lawsuits, meaning Musk would not have to cover defendants' legal fees if he loses. legal experts have called for O'Connor to recuse himself from the cases, citing the appearance of bias due to his investment in Tesla, which could be affected by the outcomes of the lawsuits. The situation highlights ongoing debates about judicial ethics and the implications of forum shopping in the legal system. A recent investigation by the Wall Street Journal has revealed that Tesla and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, have allegedly been withholding crucial information regarding crashes involving Tesla's Autopilot system. The investigation examined over 200 incidents and found that the Autopilot system has had difficulties navigating obstacles, leading to several accidents where vehicles veered off the road or collided with emergency vehicles. Both Tesla and ITSA have cited confidentiality and privacy laws as reasons for not disclosing specific details about these incidents, including crash narratives and dates. Tesla claims that the data is considered confidential business information, while the NHTSA has stated its obligation to protect personal privacy under federal law. The report highlights that many of these accidents could have been avoided, as vehicles with Autopilot engaged have been known to hit clearly visible obstacles. Tesla controls access to crash data, allowing vehicle owners to download their own data, but limiting broader access unless required by law enforcement or legal proceedings. The investigation also points out that understanding how Tesla's cameras and onboard systems function requires access to the vehicle's computer. Tesla's Autopilot, marketed as an advanced driver assistance system, has faced scrutiny over its actual capabilities, which do not equate to full autonomy. Critics argue that the marketing of Autopilot may mislead consumers regarding its functionality, emphasizing the need for clearer communication about the system's limitations. Tesla has stopped accepting orders for its least expensive Cybertruck model, which was priced at $61,000, and is now focusing on the higher-end versions. The company has made the $100,000 model available for immediate purchase, with deliveries starting this month. CEO Elon Musk's significant investment in the Cybertruck's development and the planned annual production of 200,000 units have drawn attention from investors and fans. Despite having 1 million reservations reported by Musk, demand appears to be lower than expected, with some customers opting to wait for more affordable options due to high prices and limited driving ranges. In July, the Cybertruck achieved its highest monthly sales, selling nearly 4,800 units, making it the top-selling vehicle in the US, priced above $100,000. However, sustaining high sales volumes at this price point may prove challenging. The Cybertruck features a distinctive design and a stainless steel body, with deliveries having begun in November 2023 after years of delays. The option to reserve the $61,000 model has been removed from Tesla's website, while the $99,990 dual-motor version is expected to be delivered soon. The $109,909 tri-motor version will be available starting in October. Analysts suggest that Tesla may have a surplus of inventory for the 2-motor and 3-motor trucks. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Tesla. Stay charged and drive safe.